Muhammad, Muhammad, Muhammadur Rasulullah, 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 Muhammadur Rasulullah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear viewers, dear brothers and sisters, today there is a live stream going on by Adnan Rashid, in which he's talking about the false, according to him, false prophecies of Hazrat Masih Wasallam. And they, in the beginning, they tried their best to bring like the strongest prophecies, whichever they consider the strongest one. But when, alhamdulillah, our Ahmadi brothers, they answered them back, like Razi answered them back, or Rahil Sab answered them back, they got so kind of offended with that. After that, they have tried to be very selective, whoever they select, and it's so and so that they have actually blocked me. They have, looks like they've got completely lost their mind. They are worried about, where their stream is going. Look, they have blocked me. I was waiting and waiting for nearly 3-4 hours, and that's the end result. They have blocked me. And I really wanted to speak to them about a couple of issues. First of all, in this program, brothers, they have given Ahmadi just 2 minutes to speak. And I was just wondering for the last 4 hours or so, what kind of program is this? Is that Q&A? They're not asking question about the Salafis. If we are asking question about them, about Salafis, then yes, they could have given us 2 minutes and then they could have spoken for more time. But they are discussing my faith. They're discussing Jamaat Ahmadiyya Muslimah, but they're still only giving us 2 minutes to explain things, and then they're taking all the other time, the rest of the time, whatever, it doesn't matter how many minutes they take, to bring more and more allegations. What kind of stream is that? Ideally, they should have, if they have got the courage, they should have told us which topics they're going to discuss, which prophecies they're going to discuss. How can they expect from anyone on this earth to bring the reference there and then about any prophecies, whatever they think they want to discuss? That is not fair. But anyway, they're trying to do their drama, and that's what they've done. It's nearly 6 hours, more than 6 hour long program. And as I said, I will show you again. This is the link of the program, and basically they have blocked me. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un.